Bambarakanda Waterfall is a must-visit destination when you visit Sri Lanka, not only because it's the tallest waterfall in the country. The surrounding area offers many waterfalls to see, several mountain treks and four-wheel tracks through the mountain terrains, as well as mesmerizing mountain views like nowhere else in the country. The fall is situated 5 kilometers away from the main road, and you must travel upwards a narrow and winding road to meet this beauty. Though the fall is visible to the road, to get close, you need to walk along a pine forest patch to reach the base. You will find a ticket counter on the road, which is the access route to the waterfall, and you have pay Lkr 50 per adult, and some items like camping tents are not allowed to take. The path is well maintained with stairs, and it's a quiet, easy trek. After about 15 minutes, you can reach the base of the waterfall, and when you do, there's a sitting area near the waterfall where you can have the best view of the waterfall from there. You can also take a hike to the top of the waterfall through the pine forest, and it will take about 1.5 hours, covering 1.6 kilometers. The best period for such a hike in April to September, where the waterfall is not too dry as well as not harsh due to the gushing water flow. If you're doing this hike, don't forget to visit Lanka, another magnificent waterfall situated in the jungle, close to Bambarakanda Falls. It is a wonderful experience to take a bath in the cold base pool since it's a safe place. The waterfall and the surrounding area is a great place for photography as well. Bambarakanda Falls is the tallest waterfall in Sri Lanka. With a height of 263 meters, it ranks as the 461st highest waterfall in the world. Situated in Kalupahana in the Badula district, this waterfall is 5 kilometers away from the A4 highway. The waterfall was formed by Kudoya, which is a tributary of the Helo River. The Bambarakanda Falls can be found in a forest of pine trees.